Hello and welcome to another level 3 5-minute video. In this video we're going to be talking about drainage aids. So what are drainage aids? Drainage aids are chemicals that we put in, polymers usually that we put in, that will increase the drainage rate of the water through the web as it is being formed. Typically many retention aids could also act as drainage aids. And interestingly, it's not just as the web is being formed, but also in the press section where we're squeezing water out. If you've got drainage aids in, then the water, you can squeeze it out more easily because the pore structure of the web is more open. So what are drainage aids and how do they work? Typically, as I said, they're the same sort of polymers that we use as retention aids. The main difference is that they have a different molecular size and they have a different charge density. So the chemically they're exactly the same, it's just the size and the charge density that's different. So this is how drainage works. We've got 3 fibres here, we've got a pore here, and the water will drain through that pore. But the pores can be blocked. So we have fines there, for example, just do an example of one fine. If we have a fine there, now this pore is smaller, so it's going to be harder for the water to get through. If we use drainage aids, then what we want to do is to leave this pore structure open by making the fines attach themselves to the fibre. And so we will leave the pore structure open, like that. So we're attaching the fines onto the fibre rather than letting it be free and to block up the pore. And it's as simple as that. So summary of drainage aids, just 3 points to mention. That it's a variation on a retention aid, it's just the molecular size and the charge density that's different. It helps to stick fines and filler particles to the fibre rather than allowing them to block the pore. And finally, by doing so, it leaves the pore structure open, which makes drainage easier both on the wire and in the press section. Okay, well, thank you for listening to this very short video, and I hope you will follow us on this social media.